Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And today is day number 8 of my 9 days of giveaways. Just to show you an example, here is a box that I am giving away as part of my 9 days of giveaways. This is a big heavy box with so many beauty products in it, and I am continuing to add to the box. Like today, I have more products that I am going to be including in the boxes, and I've just been really enjoying trying out the products that are going to be included in the giveaway, and I have more Estate Cosmetics products to try out today. So before I get into today's product, I just want to quickly go over the way that you can enter the giveaway, and it's so easy. All you have to do is subscribe to me here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram at The Life of Christina, and leave a comment on this video with a way that I can contact you. So the giveaways are open for 1 week from the day that the videos are posted, and so without further ado, let's get into today's product. So I am trying from Estate Cosmetics the Eye Shade, and these are little eyeshadow singles, and I have a few different shades. And of course, thank you to Estate Cosmetics for sending me these in PR. So I have been trying out a lot of Estate products that I've gotten in PR because they are so generous. They give me so many different shades of each product. So I always like to give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free. But these are not sponsored videos. But so let me show you the shades that I have in the eye shades. And the names of the shades are a little funny. So like this one here is called Virginity, and these are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and they retail for $10 each. But so here's what Virginity looks like. Ooh, a really pretty metallic shimmery brown. Next we've got Pipe. Ooh, this is a really pretty bright metallic orange. I am so tempted to swatch each one, but I'm not going to touch these so that I can give away fresh, clean products as part of the giveaway. And then third, I've got the shade Nut, which this one actually is a little broken. It's just like kind of falling out of the pan a little bit. So here, this will be the one that I try out, so that way I can give away the 2 good ones. But this is a pretty shade too. I wonder if it's light enough for a highlight. You know, let's just jump right on in. I already touched it to try and fix it, so I'm going to do a swatch. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think that actually could be a nice highlight shade. I could probably even use this as like a face highlight, but definitely an eye highlight. I never really put highlight shades all over my eye, but I feel like that could be a really pretty look. So let's try that out today. I'm also, for the fun of it, going to test this out with and without an eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the eyeshadow primer that I always use. It's such a good eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to apply this all over one of my eyes and blend that primer all the way out. And okay, I want to see how this applies with a brush to start. And I'm just going to pick some up on a fluffy brush and see if it's different applied with the brush versus my finger. So I'm going to try and get more of like a lighter, more diffused effect with the brush. Focusing it here onto the brow bone. Yeah, I mean, it definitely is a nice pigmented highlight shade, which I don't really feel like I would ever use this with the brush like diffused this way. It doesn't really do much. I'd rather build it up to its full pigment, full sheen by applying it with my finger, because I feel like as I'm applying it with the brush, I'm just trying to build it up more. And I think applying with my finger would just be quicker and easier. Because like that didn't really give any contour dimension to the eye, but it does look like a really pretty bright highlight shade. So just gonna go ahead and pick it up with my finger. Let's go ahead and start on the eye with the primer. I'm going to just apply it all over the lid. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty in its full opaque color. It's such a pretty like metallic foiled effect. Wow. I'm so curious to see if that's because of the primer or if it really is this just beautiful, bright, foiled color. And what do we think about this all over the lid? How does it look? It's just not like a very flattering look on me. I feel like it doesn't enhance my eye. As pretty as it is, I just need more shades going on, which I can definitely do. This is a great complement shade to other eyeshadow looks. Like I just feel like I need some more contour and dimension going on, but the shade itself is really pretty. It looks a little bit more of like a white gold, like a very light gold. Now that I see it in full pigment, so pretty. But yeah, let's see if there's a difference when I apply it to the eye without the primer. No, it's just already this fully pigmented, foiled, opaque of a color, which is so easy to apply with my finger. So yeah, I love this as a highlight shade and to just incorporate in with other colors onto the lid because it is really beautiful, opaque. Like focusing this color into the inner corner would be perfect for my favorite go-to eyeshadow look of like a smoky brown look. But yeah, a very impressive formula that's super pigmented, super easy to apply. I feel like the other two shades are going to be a little bit more flattering, maybe easier to wear alone, because this one I just, you know, it looks a little bit too bland on its own. But another very awesome product that I am so excited to give away that I just know whoever wins this is really going to enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.